Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a little project share of some scrapbook layouts that I made. We were doing an all-day Zoom at the beginning of the year. January 2nd, we did an all-day Zoom scrapbook just to start the year off right. And so I chose to finish another album because, you know, I was on the roll after I finished that Julie Nuttin album. I was like, boom, I got to go ahead and finish this other scrapbook album. So I finished it, and you know, when you finish something, it just feels so good. So I'm like, yay, I finished my Julie Nuttin album, and now I'm finished the scrapbook album, and I'm in the process of my other scrapbook album, but at least I got two things off of my plate that I wanted done, so I feel good. And you know that feeling when you complete something, like, yes! Alright, especially when you forget it. And this is the most pages I ever did in one night, but I'm going to break it up. I'm going to show you, this is my album. And so, where I left off at, I didn't finish the second page. Well, I think I did. I think I showed this page anyway. But, it has my grandson's information on it. But anyway, I think I showed this page before, but if I didn't, this has personal information on it. But anyway, like his birth date and all that stuff. But anyway, this was the coordinating page to go along with it, and I have some stickers. It says seriously. Wait a minute, because I didn't have. So this would be the page right here, and this is some stickers I got from Tuesday morning, and it was by I don't forget which paper pad it goes with. It says Cool Kid. I think it was Cool Kid was the name of the paper pad. And these were the stickers, and I just put some of those on it. This paper is flocked. And this is another piece of the paper cut in the back. I just flipped it over and put it as a strip and matted some of the photos, cut them down, and just put some of the puppy stickers up there, and it says Seriously Cool Kid. So, yeah, you got that one done. And then the last page of the book was this one, and that's like the first page. It was a simple page where it says hello. I just decided to do the opposite on the end of the page. In the book, it says goodbye, and it says you rock, and there's just a couple little puffy dots. Kept it simple. He's eating some chocolate cake, birthday cake. And so they are my two scrapbook pages of my group that I made, and I showed the other double layout spreads after. But yes, so I feel good completing something, because you know, and you have stuff on the back of your mind, you just gotta get it done. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care, God bless. Bye.